The following video will teach you how to change your keyboard so that you can put in the appropriate feet and inches for SketchUp. So in this case, I am going to simply pull this shape up, but I would really like it to be 6 feet. So normally I can click down here and let's say it's 6 feet to, 6 feet 2 inches. There we go. But occasionally your keyboard right down here will switch to international, which impacts how your measurements are in place. So on your keyboard, students can select Control Shift Spacebar, and you'll see that it switches between them. So if you're on international, and I try to do the same thing of 6 feet, I can't. So it's frustrating, and I end up having to use a decimal point and it's simply obviously not the same. But if I use that Control Shift Spacebar, cycle back through to US, and now I would like to do 6 feet 2 inches, and there you go. A longer route to do that, select the international keyboard, right where it says down there. And this icon right here will allow for you students to change between the different keyboards. Hope that helps.